Imagine losing a 20-ton steel box in the middle of the ocean. Sounds impossible, right? Yet, every year, it happens again and again. Inside those containers are smartphones, car parts, luxury goods, industrial machines, and even medical equipment worth millions of dollars. No pirates, no theft, no explosion. So, where do they go? Every single day, thousands of ships across the world, oceans, carrying the products that keep modern life running. The phone in your hand, the clothes you wear, the part inside your car. Almost everything around you has traveled thousands of miles before reaching you. And behind all of this is one invention that changed the world forever: the shipping container. A simple steel box that transformed global trade. Before containers, loading ships was slow, expensive, and complicated. But containers made it possible to move products faster and cheaper than ever before. Today, the ships carrying these containers are among the largest machines ever built. Some of the biggest container ships on Earth stretch nearly 400 meters long. To understand how massive that is, they are longer than the Eiffel Tower is tall. These floating giants can carry more than 20,000 containers in a single journey. Inside them are products worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But sometimes, those containers never arrive. A shipping container may look like nothing more than a giant metal box, but on a container ship, every single box is part of a carefully designed system. These containers are stacked dozens of meters above the ocean and secured using special locking mechanisms. Under normal conditions, these systems are incredibly strong, but the ocean is not normal. A massive storm can turn a calm journey into a fight for survival. Powerful waves can make a ship roll from side to side with enormous force. When a ship moves violently enough, the pressure on the containers becomes extreme. The lock can fail. A container can break loose. Then another. And suddenly, millions of dollars can disappear into the ocean in just a few minutes. This is not just a theory. It has happened to some of the world's largest container ships. In 2020, the container ship One Epos was crossing the Pacific Ocean when it encountered a powerful storm. The ship suffered extreme movement, causing hundreds of containers to be damaged or lost overboard. When people hear about lost containers, they usually think about the products inside, but the real damage goes much deeper. Every container is connected to a massive global network. A missing container can delay factories thousands of miles away. Imagine a car manufacturer waiting for one important component. Thousands of workers are ready, but one missing part can stop an entire production line. This is why the global economy is more fragile than most people realize. We see the final product, but we rarely see the complicated journey behind it. So, why don't companies simply recover these containers? Why leave millions of dollars sitting at the bottom of the ocean? The answer is simple: the ocean is enormous. Some containers sink thousands of meters below the surface. Finding them can cost more than the cargo itself. Every day, millions of products move across the oceans. We see what arrives at our doors, but we rarely think about the incredible journey behind it. A shipping container is not just a metal box, it's a moving piece of the global economy. And when one disappears, it reminds us that our world depends on a system we barely notice until something goes wrong. This is Hidden Business World, where we uncover the hidden stories behind money, trade, and the global business.